Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you are doing good and fine. When it comes to your health, there are few basic facts you already know, such as drink more water, get more sleep, eat at right time, do exercise regularly. But there are more unnoticed facts in our human body. In this video, we are rounded up with most incredible facts about health. Let's see that. Fact number 1. I was interested in how the human eye compares to digital imaging and so far found that the human eye is equivalent to a 576 megapixel camera. Fact number 2. The weight of the human brain. The adult human brain weighs about 3 pounds, that is 1300 to 1400 grams. Also, the human brain has about 86 billion neurons, and mostly the unconsciousness will occur after 8 to 10 seconds after loss of blood supply to the brain. Fact number 3. We all have two lungs, that they are not the same size. Instead, the lung on the left side of our body is a bit smaller than the lung on right side, in which the left lung is narrower because it must make room for the heart. Fact number 4. The human heart pumps 182 million liters of blood during the average lifetime, and 50,000 cells in your body died and were replaced by newer one while you are watching this video. And interesting thing is that women's heart beat more faster than men's. Fact number 5. Babies are born with 300 bones while adults have only 206. As babies grow into young adults, these bones fuse together to become single bones. Interesting thing is that only at the age of 20, the bones completely fuse together. Fact number 6. Human eyes can detect a candle flame which is 1.7 miles away, that is 2.7 kilometers, with some certain conditions. Fact number 7. In our human body, sweat glands are not found in nails, ears and lips. Meanwhile, sweat glands are found maximum in our palm, forehead and cheeks. Fact number 8. Previously we seen that we have 206 bones. Among that, stapes is the smallest bone in our human body. It is found in our ear. The stapes is the third bone of the 3 ossels in the middle ear. Fact number 9. Muscles encased a lot in facial expressions, and to do a small smile, generally it uses 17 muscles, and for frown it uses 43 muscles. Fact number 10. Many older adults experience a loss of taste and no longer enjoy the foods they once loved. At birth, most people have between 2000 to 10,000 taste buds, but by the age of 60, most people lose half of their taste buds. Fact number 11. Everyone have this particular question that when we die, does our whole body die at the same time? Definitely not. The brain and the nerve cells require a constant supply of oxygen, and it will die within a few minutes once you stop breathing. Wherever heart, liver, kidneys, pancreas will last about an hour. But the special fact is that our skin, tendons, heart valves and corneas will still be able to alive after a day. Fact number 12. Which part of your body never grows after birth? The answer is eyeball. The eyeball is the only organism which does not grow from birth. It is fully grown when you are born. And the special fact is that only 1/6 of the eyeball is visible to us. Fact number 13. The lungs are the only organ in the body that can float on water. It is because of the presence of tiny air sacs present in it, and the tiny air sacs is called as alveoli. Fact number 14. Thumb finger have own pulse because we have arteries in our thumb they have their own pulse because they have their own blood supply from the palmar arc. But usually, thumb finger pulse won't be carried out for the treatment process. And the final fact number 15, it is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Reason is that the pressure released from a sneeze is extremely high and causes an eyeball to pop out. Thank you so much for your patience listening. We will catch up with more interesting facts in related to science and technology. Stay connected with KIT and Visai Thalam. Thank you.